My name is Charles Havlik, and I am the Senior Research Specialist here at the Los Lunas Agricultural Science Center. Today I want to talk a little bit about landrace chili in the northern portion of New Mexico, and then get into a little seed saving for the home grower. Okay, so we have two contrasting types of chili that occur here in New Mexico. This smaller, more vine-like growth pattern here, this is typical of your landrace chilies growing up north. This is actually a chili from the Santa Ana Pueblo, or as they like to call their location, Tamaya. You can see that these leaves are a lot narrower than the leaves on these plants over here. This is actually Big Jim, which is a New Mexico commercial pod type. Also, these chilies tend to have smaller pods, as you can see here. And the Big Jims have a lot larger pods. These landraces tend to start producing pods that turn red earlier than these commercial pod types. People who have their own family strain of chili, I think it's important for them to keep their seed lines pure. I also don't think it's a bad thing if it cross-pollinates. However, you should create your own line and keep it as you wish. So one way to do that is you can buy these fruit protection bags. This one here is 6 by 10 inches, and it's got a drawstring. And so what I like to do when I save seed is I'll just pick a branch that has a lot of flowers on it, and what you want to do is you can see the different flowers. There's a green bud, and then there's a white bud, and then there's already an open flower, another white bud. What you want to do is take either the fruit off or those flowers that are open, and just pick a branch. And then what I'll do is I'll kind of grab it like a bouquet of flowers and then stick it into the bag. Try to give it as much room as possible. And then I just like to tie the bag off in a simple overhand knot. And see, what this does is insects won't fly from this flower to that flower and cross-pollinate. A New Mexico State University study has stated that cross-pollination in hot peppers can occur up to 80% as much as other peppers. So doing this will ensure that you have at least a baseline of the chili that you've been growing for quite a while. And I think that's an important thing for people to do.